Jordan. And
I am
drawing.
I'm the center. I do going and accent. Okay. And accent. Joy gotta talk. And accent.
Action.
Joy gotta draw something. There you can talk. And
okay.
accent. And knowing. Bye. Okay, let's start Jordan and accent. Joy is Sonia's big scare. Okay.
Happy
And accent. And knowing.
and ears. But any sweets or snacks at all.
Okay, I got you.
And don't donate sorry eat healthy food.
Okay, I will, baby.
I'm back.
Okay. Okay.
Who got yours?
All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, 1 second, okay?
And accent. Yo, ying. Okay.
Johnny, you have to do
Okay.
action.
Okay. And accent. And yo, ying. Do it, Jordan.
Mom, you want to help?
Nah, I don't know where you got that from.
Okay. And accent. And yo, ying.
Why this don't work?
You,
John, don't say
hey,
everything.
don't ruin my markers. You pressing too hard.
John, don't say
Goodness.
anything. Just cover it, okay?
Dang. Ready, Dawn.
Accent and go in. Hi, friends. Do you know what you're doing? They said no. Well, okay. We're doing drawing. They said, wow. Yep. You don't wanna help us then? Oh, you wanna take a break. So you can take a break and help us. So you take off your drawing thing. And now I'm gonna draw shapes and Journey's gonna draw words. I'm gonna draw on this side and Journey draw on this side. Okay, see. Oh, what's a big square? Busy. Okay. And now I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna draw this. Two. Go to A. Double. Mom, you get this. Draw. The accent thing. Mom gotta do it. She's gotta do 100.
All right, and sing. So you have an A and a Z up there. What other letters are you going to show your friends?
C.
Jordan, you have a square?
Mm-hmm. A big
What other
one.
shapes can you show your friends?
A big circle.
Now you have to leave space for your sister. Remember?
Jordan. You need my
Jenny, you can have your words here and write them all down and crack into mine.
Oh, you doing it. You got it on.
Satisfying again. Da, 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 da.
Okay, now we like D. Careful. There. Okay, now we got another A. And another C. Okay. And, E.
Yes, I know. I'm drawing very good. And in case, I'm drawing the big square. Okay, so I'm gonna make it simple. It's time to make
I go
action.
draw a guy.
And action. Action, Journey.
I'm gonna clean it for you so you guys can show them more letters and shapes, okay?
Okay.
All right, so Miss Jordan, you have numbers, and Miss Journey, you have letters. Your sides are split up. Go.
Okay.
1, 2, B, C, D.
Remember to write from left to right, Journey.
Left to right.
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
F, C,
Ta-da!
All right, and how do you make a 10?
1 and a 0.
Good job. What letters do you have going on over here, Journey?
What's wrong? I just want to make a handprint.
You want to make a handprint? All right, you can make a handprint after you finish your letters, baby. I thought you were showing your friends all your letters. Or you want to show them your hand? Go ahead, trace your hand. Show them your hand.
Okay.
That's cool, too.
And I'll go around and around.
Good job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good job.
Well done to Journey and Chuchu. 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 Chuchu.
All right, good job, ladies.
Draw my hand.
So what did you just do today?
Draw.
But what did you draw?
Handprint.
No. What's up? Yep, numbers.
Numbers.
And
Letters.
good job. Good job.
Oh no, it's sinking. Sinky, sinky, sinky.
Mommy, look at me. I'm sweating on the clothes.
All right, tell your friends. See you later.
See you later.
All right, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Right, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yay.